Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to change URL page on Facebook. So first of all, you could go ahead and click on the menu and switch to your page account. And basically, after you switch, go ahead right here and click the settings gear at the top. Scroll a little bit down till you find the page setup, and you're going to see right here page and name, right? And page portfolio. So I'm gonna see right here the page portfolio. You're gonna see right here the page portfolio, legal business name and all that. The website, if you have a website, just go ahead and add it. And basically, if you went right here to see your contact info, you're gonna see name and no email in all that, right? So if you click the name right here, right, you're gonna be able right here, you're gonna be able to see that this is your name of that page. And here you're gonna see other names like nicknames and all that. If you want to click the nicknames, so let me go back, click nicknames and all that, sorry, go ahead, page setup, name, and then nickname. And as you can see, there's some some problem with Facebook, but if you went there, you're gonna be able to add your username for your page, like a nickname and all that, so you can add or set your page URL. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.